Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle with 4 stars. In the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, January the 4th, January the 5th, 2025. And I've already solved 2 puzzles. The 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And this one you are interested, it's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9844. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. And now I'm stuck. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the 5th O there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, so that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so the rest are O's.
Excuse me, sir.
We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. If I place the 5th O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This can be 1. This should be no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 5 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Well, we have tomorrow a Samurai Sudoku. Yeah. So it's not the last puzzle for this weekend. Alright, see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.